Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is a Hazel, and today we are diving into how to see people who followed you on Facebook. So, without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook application on your mobile phone. Here at the top right corner, tap on these three horizontal lines. Here at the setting icon, tap on it. Scroll down to your activity log. So tap on here. After that, go to the connections and tap on followers. Again, tap on people who followed you. So here you will be able to see those people who have followed you. So that's all. Here we are done. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for today and I'll see you in the next one.